What's going on, everybody? Chatty CRCPC here, back with you. And for a little bit of fun and entertainment, let me just show you one of my latest Fortnite accomplishments here. I'm about 25 to 30 games in, just kind of trying to learn things. I always like going to the little house over here because I've watched some videos, and there's always usually a chest in here and gear up and all that kind of stuff, and just kind of work my way into the middle. Yeah, I'm one of those guys right now. I need to learn how to get into the fight and how to actually start making some accomplishments here and stuff, but there's so much you got to learn in this game, like building and everything, and then trying to learn keyboard and mouse controls coming from console and not playing this kind of stuff for years. It's just a lot to get a hold of. So believe me, as short and as bad as this game is, I've gotten a lot better. So running in, seeing where some of my teammates are. Obviously everybody's going in and checking out where all the parachute drops of weapons and stuff like that are coming in. So I'm just racing towards them, and I'm all shielded up, all geared up, ready to go, running towards my teammates here. I hook up with a couple of them, and they start building, and I start building. You know, we're taking fire and everything like that, and you know, the rest is about to be history here. You can see I'm still not sure what I'm doing. I'm clicking around on my mouse, scroll wheel and everything, trying to get things to go. Already taking fire from those guys, and just trying to build walls and everything to try to keep myself protected. And I just kind of sneaked my head out a little too far here and took a shot right there, took another shot, and yeah, that's it. So I'm hoping I can hold on for maybe my teammate there to heal me, and no.